my channel. I thought this would be so much fun. So I'm sitting down to tell you about a company called Fashom, and they are a style box company. They are not a subscription company, so you don't have to worry about cancellation or anything like that. So this is how the box comes, which is like so much fun because why not have a present for yourself, right? So it comes like this. It has an envelope on the top. I'm just gonna set it down here. The envelope on the top says, "Hello, beautiful." Isn't that sweet? So I do have a link in the description box that will give you a free styling session. Having somebody actually take things out of your taste and design a box for you around that is totally personalized and totally special. So now that you know how the whole thing works, let's get into what they sent me. They are probably, honestly, one of the best pairs of jeans I have ever owned. They are so incredibly soft. This is the wash that they are. It's just this pretty white color, has a little bit of distressing, and it might be something that I would wear to the beach, but it's definitely a little outside my box. This one was way outside my box, which is what I love about doing a style box. They throw things at you that you wouldn't normally pick up off the rack, and it can turn out being something that you really like. And it says it's an ivory floral pocketed off the shoulder maxi dress. Tried it on, and Corey actually ended up really liking it on me. This was my second favorite thing, rayon printed top, and it's super flowy. It's so flattering. And the awesome thing about Fashom is you can do exchanges for another size super easily. So the subtotal was $191, and with the 5-item discount, if I keep all 5 of them, or I could also exchange them for different sizes, it would be a 30% off discount. The adjustments of what I would save is $57.30. So my total for all 5 items would be $133.70, which I think is really great, especially considering that there's a pair of jeans involved. I feel like that's a higher dollar item that it combined in all of this, you do save a lot. If you're new around here, I'd love if you hit the subscribe button, give this video a like for me, and I will see you guys in my next video.